Hi friends, and welcome to Hotel Metulus. In this training video, you will learn how to prepare our hotel room for our guests. And remember that our guests always deserve 5-star service. And that starts with having the cleanest room and a well-stocked hotel room so that they can enjoy their stay here. I will take you on a tour of our hotel room and let you know the expectations for cleaning and preparing this space. All of this information can be found in your training binder located in the hotel room. All right, the first step in getting our space prepared for our guest is to vacuum the rug. Our vacuum can be found right at the front when you walk in. Plug it in and vacuum the entire rug. The second thing that you need to do to prepare the room for the guest is to change the sheets and make the bed. When finished, the bed needs to look like this. Very neat, with 2 pillows located at the top. All of the extra sheets and pillowcases can be found underneath the sink by the picture of the sheets. Down here, you will find extra towels for our guests as well. After you've vacuumed and made the bed and changed the sheets, the next thing you need to do is to clean the hotel sink. All of our cleaning supplies are located in this red basket next to the sink. Now, to clean the sink, you simply squirt a little bit of cleaner onto the sponge. You turn on the water so that it gently runs and wet your sponge. Once your sponge is wet, you scrub the entire bottom of the sink as well as the sides of both sides of the sink, making sure that you get every inch of the bottom and the top. Lastly, you will gently wipe each one of the handles and the faucet. Then you will turn on the water once again, and you will rinse out all of the bubbles. Run your sponge on the same part of the sink that you cleaned. So that would be the bottom and the top, or the bottom and the sides of both sides of the sink. You might have to re-wet your sponge and rinse out the bubbles that are accumulating in your sponge in order to get our sink clean and free of bubbles. Lastly, you will wipe the handles once again and the top part of the sink so that you no longer see the bubbles. If you made a mess and you have extra puddles of water, then you will need to take some paper towel also found in your basket and wipe up any puddles. The next thing that you need to do is you need to dust the dresser. You will grab the duster from the basket. You will start at one end, and in a back and forth motion, you will wipe each part of the dresser with the duster, remembering to return the duster to the basket when you are finished. The next thing that you need to do is you need to refill the coffee bar. Now, some guests might not use the coffee bar, so that when you go to refill it, everything might be there. If you are unsure of what goes there, refer to the picture in your training binder. I'll show you what this should look like. In our coffee bar, you shall find 4 coffee stirrers, 4 creamers, 4 tea bags, 2 packages of coffee, and 4 coffee cups with 4 matching lids. You need to make sure that everything is here. Sometimes guests only use one, and you'll have to refill only one. Please make sure that everything is displayed neatly and ready for our guests. Finally, you need to make sure that the guests have plenty of clean towels that have been freshly folded. Over here on the counter next to the sink is where you will find the towels. Please refer to the training manual on instructions for folding the towels. You will fold the towels so that they look like this. And when stacking them in a pile, you need to make sure that facing out is just one roll. And to the side, you have the two folds so that everything is lined up and matching. In addition to this, you need to make sure that the basket that holds the hand towels and the washcloth, as well as our complimentary shampoo and conditioner, are displayed neatly. That means that everything needs to be rolled up and placed in properly. Let me show you what I mean by this. You need to make sure that the hand towels are rolled. You are going to fold them long ways and then lay it flat. Once flat, start at one end and slowly roll the towel. Not fold, but roll, making sure that your side is nice and neat. And when you end, you should see the 3 blue stripes. Place it gently back into the basket along the back next to the other one. Take your washcloth and place it in front. Here's what it should look like. The 2 hand towels in back, the face cloth in front. Then next to the washcloth or the face cloth, you will slip the shampoo and the conditioner next to it. And make sure that when you place it back near the sink, that it is all neat and ready to go. Before you leave the room, look at everything and make sure that it is in top shape for our guests. Thank you for watching your training video. Best of luck